Talking about your phone?
No, a damn dustpan. Look at the stairs. Yeah, I'm gonna start sleeping. Keep it looking nice in here.
I'm finally taking this tree down today because you know I ain't been here.
Oh shit, yeah. Yeah, I'm scared. Yeah, I'm still gonna take my just right off my shelf. The tree came down on the second.
So that's funny, I call myself the man, but I am. Shit, fuck you talking about.
Hey, no, I love it. I love it. It reminds me of that clip of Cher on the interview. She was like, my mom was like, why don't you settle down with a nice rich man? She said, Mom, I am a rich man.
I don't know if it's just me, but every time I come back home from traveling, it takes me like a week to like bounce back and get back into like my normal routine and to like, you know, get yourself back together. Because, you know, when you travel, sometimes your skin might be acting up or whatever because you can't do like your complete skincare, yada, yada, yada. Just like that, I'm back. I set a goal to take care of my hair, and with the help of a stellar stylist and me taking care of my hair in between salon visits, it's safe to say my hair is flourishing. I'm proud of myself though. I completed every task that was on my to-do list. Literally doing my hair was the last task, so I'm pretty stoked about that. And I don't care what nobody says. When you look good, you feel good. So I try to maintain my appearance because I've noticed that it really does help my mental state on some of the days that are a little bit rougher than the other ones, and that's just real talk. I'll let the rollers chill. At the current moment, this is my favorite exfoliator for my face. I could see like a major difference like in the softness of my skin, and I can see like the rough patches disappearing, like with the little dead skin patches. I don't know if y'all pay attention to that or not, but if you look real closely, sometimes you'll see like your skin is patchy if it's like dry. And mine's was patchy, but this actually cleared it up. Like you see that build up on my face like this, dead skin cells coming off, to give you just a clear, smooth surface to work with. And now we both look Asian. He waving and I'm drunk. I got that shit in my cup. You know what I'ma do to you? I could give reviews to you. Slow, we X and we sipping on that juicy juice. That's just what she choose.
high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high. You get me so high. I know you ain't a drug, but you get me so high. You get me so high. You get me so high. You get me so high.
This is my favorite part. The takedown, the results, baby. My favorite part. And I know some people be sleeping on the sponge rollers, but I can never hate them. They always do me right.
Nigga got pounds of it all up in his truck. Now we both look Asian. He waving and I'm drunk. I got dank shit in my cup. You know what I'ma do to you? I could give reviews to you. Blow, we X, and we sipping on that juicy juice. That's just what she choose to do.
Thanks for watching. Tune in next week for episode 4. Same time, same channel. Bye, buds.
Sipping on that juicy juice. That's just what she choose to do. Slow, we come fast. Speeding up the heartbeat, banging in the chest when you put it out.